Hey guys, happy Friday. This is Adrian once again. This is part 2, guys, of my video. I got in a trade with Australia and Japan. You see that I'm up $45. I did part 1 video yesterday, guys. I didn't get in the trade yet. I was waiting for confirmation. First confirmation, the 12.6 moving average. And you see we're down. And I got in at 82.56, so it's down 5 points, guys. You know my motto, I take 10 points and run, so that'd be like $100 right there, guys. So I'm just monitoring right now. I might put a stop loss in after I get a couple more points or some profits, and I'll make video 3 to let you know the end results. So happy Friday, guys. This is my video part 2 from part 1. From trading Australia versus Japan. All right, guys. Have a nice Friday, and I'll see y'all.